Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all doing well. Today I am going to teach you English for class 2 in term 1 textbook. This is our first lesson in term 1 textbook for class 2. Okay? Let us go into our lesson. See, look at here. What is our lesson name? Our lesson name is Jack and the Beanstalk. What is our lesson name? Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack means one boy's name. Okay? And the beanstalk means the stem of a bean plant. Okay? Okay, let us go into our lesson. Jack and his mother live in an old cottage. Look at here. He is the Jack and she is his mother. Okay? Both are living in an old cottage. Old cottage means small house. What? Old cottage means small house. Okay? They are poor and have no money for food. For these two, they have no money to eat food also. Then Jack's mother is saying that, Jack, sell our cow and bring home the money. We will buy some food. Who is saying like that? Jack's mother. What she is saying? Jack, sell this cow and bring money to the home. We will buy some food with that money. Who is saying like that? Jack's mother. Then what the Jack will say? Let us see. See. Jack is saying that, Mom, it is the month of December. It is the month of December and it is very cold outside. But I will go, Mom. What the Jack is saying? Mom, this is the month of December and it is very cold outside. But also I will go and I will sell the cow. Who is saying like that? Jack. See, Jack unties his cow from the tree outside his house. What did the Jack did? The Jack unties his cow's thread from the tree outside his house and he pulls the cows and walks fast. Then he meets an old woman on the way. Who meets old man? Jack meet an old man. Jack meet an old man on the way. See. What did the old man is saying? Let us see. See. Hello son. Let me buy that cow from you. I will give you a magic bean for her. Okay? What the old man is saying? Hello son. I will buy this cow. Instead of giving money, I will give a bean for her. He is saying like that. Who is saying like that? Old man. Who? Old man. Then what the Jack will say? We'll see. A magic bean. Here it is, sir. The cow is yours. See Jack what saying? A magic bean? Oh, okay. Here it is, sir. The cow is your. Take your cow, sir. Who is saying like that? Jack. Next, see. Jack's mother is making some cauliflower soup. What is Jack's mother making? She is making a cauliflower soup. Next, Jack is saying to her mom, Mom, I got a magic bean for the cow. What he is saying? I got a magic bean for the cow. Then what Jack's mother will say? We'll see. Oh Jack, how foolish. How foolish you are, Jack. See, I thought we could buy a lot of bread, meat, vegetables and fruits. Now we will not have anything to eat for many days. Go to bed, you silly boy. What Jack's mother is saying that, Jack, I thought that you will buy bread, meat, vegetables and fruits. Now you didn't brought anything, so we don't have any food to eat for many days. Go to bed and sleep. He is just scolding to Jack. Okay, next look at here. Mother throws the bean out. It falls near the rose bush. See, what did the mother say? What did the mother did? Jack brought the bean plant. No, she threw near the rose bush. The next day there is a huge beanstalk. What? The next day there is a huge beanstalk outside their home. Next, look at here. This is the beanstalk. What is this? This is the beanstalk. His mother, Jack's mother, threw the bean out near rose bush. The next day, what happened? The bean become a big beanstalk. Okay, where outside their home. Okay, see, Jack is saying, "Mom, look at this. I am going to climb this magic beanstalk. Bye bye." Who is saying like that? Jack. Jack is saying that, Mom, look at this beanstalk. I am going to climb the magic beanstalk. He is saying to his mother. Jack is saying to his mother, and he is climbing this beanstalk. Then he is saying, bye bye, Mom. Next, see, don't. Then what did his mother say? Well, see, don't do that, you naughty boy. Come here at once. Was what his mother is saying, that you naughty boy, don't climb on the beanstalk. Come here at once. She is saying like that. Who is saying like that? Jack's mother. For whom? For Jack. Okay. Next, look at here. Jack climbs the beanstalk and reaches the sky. See, Jack climbs the beanstalk and he reaches to the sky. Then what he saw? He saw a castle there. Castle means what, ma? A large building with high walls and towers. High walls and towers, have you seen, no? Like that. What he saw? He reaches to the sky and he saw a castle there. Okay. He enters the castle quietly. He sees a scary gate. He quickly hides and sees what the gate is doing. What did the Jack did? First he enters into the castle quietly. Then he sees a scary gate. What he sees? His scary gate. See? He sees a scary gate. Gate means here big person. He's called a gate. See? He quickly hides and sees what the gate is doing there. Who quickly hide? Jack. Jack quickly hide and sees the gate. What is he doing there? What the gate is doing? Let us see. See, here is my gold, my harp, and a hands. What the gate is doing? What he is saying? Here is my gold, my hand, and my harp. He is counting like that. See, here you are able to see this. These are gold coins and hand. Look at here, hand. And this is harp. Harp means a musical instrument with strings. See, are you able to visible here? These are strings. Okay, what is this? These are strings. It is an musical instrument. Okay, let us see. The Gain sits at his table counting his gold coins. What he is doing? He is sitting near his table and what he is doing? He is counting the gold coins. What is he counting? He is counting the gold coins. Then next, a hen and a harp are next to him. What are they? Hen and harp. Harp and hen both are next to him. Okay. 60, 61, 100, 200. He's counting. What he's counting? He's counting the gold coins. 60, 61, 100, 200. Like that he's counting. Finally, 1,000 coins had counted. Next, he's thinking that, Amma, good. Now hen lay a golden egg for me. You harp, play me a tune. I want to sleep. What he's saying that, Amma, I have 1,000 of gold coins. Now the hen is laying the golden eggs for me. Then he's saying to the harp, play a tune for me. Then I will sleep. What is saying? Play a tune for me. Then I will sleep. Who is saying like that? Gaint. Next, what this Jack will do? Let us see. I must run away with the gold coins, the hen and the harp before the Gaint wake up. What he is thinking that I should have to run away with these gold coins, hen and the harp before the Gaint wake up. See, look at here. Here the Gaint is sleeping, no? At that time only the Jack is thinking that I have to run away from this place with the hen, harp and gold coins. He is thinking like that. Oops, the harp has fallen down. What happened? See, look at here. The harp is fallen down. Look at here. The harp is fallen down. If the harp is fallen down, means it will make sound or not? Yes, it will make sound. Then what will happen? Let us see. See. Then the Gaint wakes up and saying, what is that noise? A little boy taking my money, my hen and my harp. I will want to catch that boy. He is running. See here, the Gaint is running along with that boy. Now the boy is thinking, wow, a bag of gold coins, a hen that lays golden eggs and a harp that plays music. He's what the Jack is thinking, wow, I have a bag of gold coins, a hen, which that lays golden eggs and a harp that plays music. I have like that. This Jack is thinking like that. See, the Gaint starts chasing Jack. See, look at here. The Gaint starts chasing Jack, no? Then Jack runs and reaches the beanstalk. See, Jack runs and reaches the beanstalk. He starts climbing down to his house. Who starts climbing down to his house? Jack. Jack starts climbing down to his house. Jack asks his mother to quickly bring him an axe. What he asked his mother? Jack asked his mother to quickly bring the axe. Why? Because we'll see. He chops the beanstalk. The beanstalk and the Gaint come crashing down. The Gaint dies. What happened? See, he chops that beanstalk. Then the beanstalk and the Gaint come crashing down. Then the Gaint dies. What? The Gaint dies. Next, what this Jack is saying that, see, look mom, we are rich. What he is saying? Look mom, we are rich. Jack, what the Jack's mother is saying? See, oh Jack, I am so happy now. What she is saying? Jack, I am so happy now. Who is saying like that? Jack's mother. Okay children, hope you all understand this lesson. Thank you.